Are you stranded in the wilderness in the cold with nothing? Don't panic, these DIY survival tips will help you stay alive. Tips 1. Find shelter. Look for natural shelters such as caves or overhangs to protect yourself from the elements. 2. Create a fire. Look for dry tinder and materials to start a fire using natural methods such as a fire bow, hand drill or fire plow. Keep in mind that in cold weather it will be harder to make fire and you need to look for specific materials that can be lit easily. 3. Collect water. Look for sources of water such as streams or rivers and purify the water using methods such as boiling or using a snow or ice. But be aware that in cold weather it will be harder to find water and it will take more time and effort to melt it. 4. Find food. Look for edible plants or animals in the area, and know how to trap or hunt them if necessary. In cold weather finding food will be harder and you need to know how to make traps or snares to catch small animals. 5. Stay warm. Use natural materials such as leaves or moss to insulate your clothing, or make a bed to keep warm. Also make sure to protect yourself from wind and moisture, which will make you feel colder. 6. Create a signal fire. Make a large fire and keep it burning to signal for help. 7. Know how to navigate. Learn how to use the sun, stars, or moss to determine direction. Also pay attention to the terrain and landmarks, they can help you identify your location. 8. Know how to make tools. Learn how to make tools using natural materials such as rocks or branches. Tools can be used for different purposes such as making fire, cutting branches or making traps. 9. Keep a positive attitude. Stay calm and keep a positive attitude, it can help you survive. In a survival situation, a positive attitude can help you overcome the challenges and make smart decisions. By following these tips, you'll be able to survive in the cold wilderness and increase your chances of being rescued. Please note that these tips are for emergency situations, and it's always best to be prepared and have the proper equipment for any outdoor activity, and avoid putting yourself in dangerous situations.